Hi folks and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really handy feature in Power BI, how to enable weeks in your datasets so you can quickly analyze your data by week of the year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a week number column in Power BI. This is especially useful for tracking trends, creating weekly reports, or simply organizing your information in a way that makes sense for your business or project. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, launch Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already opened your project, go ahead and load the report you're working on. Take a moment to make sure your data is visible in the main window. This will make the next steps a lot easier. Now we need to get into Power Query. Power Query is kind of like the kitchen of Power BI. It's where all your data prep happens. So look for the Transform Data button up at the top. Give that a click. It might take a moment to open up, but don't worry, this is totally normal. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Power Query window pop up, usually with a preview of your tables and columns on the left side. For this tutorial, I've got a sample dataset loaded up, but these steps will work with any table that has a date column. If you're following along with your own data, just find the table that contains the dates you want to analyze. Once you find your date column, click to select it. It's important to make sure you're selecting the actual column that holds your date information. This is what Power BI uses to calculate the week numbers. If your dates are in a different format or have missing values, you might want to tidy that up first, but don't stress about it. As long as it looks like a regular date, you're good to go. Now let's move over to the Add Column tab at the top of Power Query. This is where you can add all sorts of new fields to your dataset. Click on Date. You'll see a little calendar icon at the top, which is your friend here. Hover your mouse over Date, and when you see the drop-down, look for Week. If you're not sure where it is, take your time and let your mouse hover. A sub-menu should appear. Under Week, you'll see a few different choices, but the one we want is Week of Year. Click on that, and Power BI will automatically create a brand new column beside your original date, with the week of the year assigned to each row. And that's it, you've just enabled weeks for your data in Power BI. That new week column can now be used in your visuals, filters, or calculations. For example, maybe you want to see sales trends by week instead of by day or month. Just use the new column you created, and suddenly you've got a whole new perspective on your numbers. Remember, if you don't see the column right away, click Close and Apply in Power Query to save your changes and reload the data in your main Power BI report. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're working with a larger dataset, but hang tight, it's worth it. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to add week-of-year analysis to your Power BI reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this or run into any issues, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.